Hello everybody, we are back again with our best tutorials, and to the topic which we will be discussing is uh, how to prepare for AWS Solution Architect Associate exam. There are many guys who are writing to me that if we can provide them the tips to pass through this exam. So this may not be the everyone's approach, but this approach may be good to clear because I personally followed this approach and it was successful. So I have prepared the 4P model to go through this exam, that is plan, prepare, practice and place. So as this exam is too dynamic, they are ever changing the questions, they are adding new services every year. So you need to plan this exam very thoroughly. So the first step is plan. So in plan, I think we have these 4 questions which you need to answer. How to prepare, what to prepare, why to prepare and when to prepare. How to prepare means what will be my approach. Will I be picking up particular service and going through every classification of the service, or I will be using cascading model in which I will be picking EC2, then I will be picking EC2 with containers, then I will be going for VPC, then I will be going for storage. So you need to decide how to prepare, what to prepare, which all services I need to prepare, how I need to go through the exam, do I have a blueprint, what topic I need to cover. So then is why to prepare, why I am preparing this particular service. You shouldn't be following that, okay, let me go for snowball service before S3, because until you know what is S3 you will not be able to differentiate between storage gateways and snowball. When to prepare, when I need to prepare it, do I need to prepare it before white papers or it is fine. So going to next step is prepare. So prepare is one of the vital steps. You can't skip this step because in prepare you need to go through the theory part, and for solution architect exam I think theory is one of the most important factor of clearing it. So in this, go through all the white papers. AWS often give you white papers which are related to security, implementation and best practices. So pick the white papers and go through them thoroughly. They may vary from 30 to 90 pages, but they are one of the best sources to clear that exam. Go through frequently asked questions. Every service has frequently asked questions in their respective AWS web pages. So go through those questions because those questions are one of the major significance and they are the major role in preparing you for architect exam. Go through reInvent videos. Every time they have a reInvent, they launch some new service. Last time they launched Lambda, they may be launching EFS this time. So go through those reInvent videos, what new services they are coming with. Go through videos which are related to AWS, which are troubleshooting videos which are related to particular service. Go through them. So then third P is practice. You should always have a free tire account with you. Go and get free tire account for 1 year. Add your credit card and start practicing. Start practicing with lab scenarios. Have small scenarios. Create EC2 with lamps and then put that behind load balancer and start using it on CloudFront. But practice with small projects. Always prepare small projects and try to break things so that you should know how your VPC was working. What will happen if I will remove that instance? What will happen if I will auto scale that instance? What will be the effect on the particular EC2 classic VPC, or what will be the effect on custom VPC? So these are the significant things which you need, which are prerequisite even before you start thinking of clearing it, because without practice this exam is really practice oriented. They have this will be around 60 questions and you will be around having 80 minutes, so 1.5 minute for each question approximately. So until you practice, you will not able to filter out the garbage options. So last P will be place. So place right modules with time. Place right date for exam only when prepared. Don't hurry your exam. Be fine. Be be calm. Be relaxed and evaluate yourself. Are you ready for it? Because often you lose attempts when you prepare when you're not prepared. Because only you can have 3 attempts in a year, and then you need to wait for a year for another attempt. Place right time for questions. Always when you are going through the paper, go through your strong part first and don't waste time on those questions which you think you even don't have an idea over it. Know the blueprint of exam. AWS give you the blueprint of exam, and that blueprint you can get it from AWS site, and go through that blueprint. How much security is quantized, how much implementation is quantized in exam, how much troubleshooting, and how much the configuration part. So if you have blueprint in that mind, then you can easily achieve AWS solution architect associate. And this is the major thing, that in order to make yourself comfortable, you should know your pain areas and you should know your strengths. So this is all this I am just trying to give you the basic path which you can follow. And last, please subscribe the tutorials, share these videos, like the videos and comments on the videos, and always come back with the solution, always come back with the queries, and I will try to shoot as much as I can, because technology is for all. Thanks guys, have a nice day.